Hi, my name is Yvonne. In my late 40s, I badly strained and injured my left hip joint, causing excruciating pain whenever I walked. My doctor ordered CT scans, and the results came back indicating that I had developed bone spurs. I would probably have to have hip replacement surgery. I was shocked. I was only in my 40s at that time. Around this time, I also started to experience severe night sweats. I had to wake up every night to change my sweat-soaked pajamas. Moreover, my bed would be soaking wet with my perspiration. Additionally, on average, I suffered 2 headaches every month, with each migraine episode lasting about 2 to 3 days. I could not eat or drink anything. Even water would make me throw up. My sleep problem became worse than ever. Given all my physical challenges, I consulted with my doctor, who diagnosed me with low thyroid, anxiety, depression, and chronic fatigue. When I was younger, I took a lot of painkillers to ease my menstrual cramps. My doctor said that these painkillers had already damaged my kidneys, so she prescribed health supplements instead. At one point, I was taking over 20 capsules a day. And then, as if those challenges were not enough, in 2014, I had to deal with a marital crisis. This was probably the lowest point in my life. At the end of 2015, I was fortunate enough to attend the 8.5-day Health and Happiness Retreat. While practicing the meditation of greater illumination, I started to cry non-stop, as if a dam had burst inside of me. I distinctly felt there was a divine power helping me to carry my emotional burden. Already after the first day, I felt much lighter and much more calm. During the retreat, I also entered into 4 days of spontaneous fasting. I wasn't hungry and did not eat anything. Our teachers shared that during spontaneous fasting, our bodies are shedding illnesses and negative energy. I found this quite incredible. After the retreat, I felt much better emotionally. I felt very calm and my sleep improved. And because of this, I persisted in my daily practice of meditation of greater illumination and other Bodhi meditation methods. In just over a year, my hip joint pain completely disappeared, to the extent that I even forgot I had this problem. When I told my doctor about this, she was happy to confirm that I no longer needed further treatment. I was so happy and so relieved. I no longer suffer night sweats. No more waking up in the middle of the night to change my wet pajamas and bed sheets. The insomnia that had plagued me since my teens is now resolved. I can now fall asleep within minutes of lying down. My migraines miraculously disappeared. I have not suffered a migraine attack since that time. I can feel myself getting stronger with more energy. No more low thyroid, anxiety, depression, or chronic fatigue issues. I no longer take supplements, as there is no longer any need for them. Looking back, without Bodhi meditation, I truly don't know what would have become of me. Thank you, Grandmaster, with all my love and gratitude.